2021 to 2025 Toyota Sienna USB replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2022 Toyota Sienna, and this USB port right here has been broke, so I'm going to replace it. It's not too bad, but you do have to take this trim piece off. So I would recommend buying a trim piece tool. I'm going to link it below. They're like $5. You get like a whole set of them, and then also a small flathead because you might need it. Now, first, this trim piece tool has to come off. You can actually pull it off with your hands only. You want to grab it and then just wiggle it a lot and pull it out towards the left like that. And then if you want to, you can use your trim piece tool to just kind of pry it off a little bit. There are these little red clips that are on tabs. But when you get to the part below the power start button, you need to grab it and wiggle it and pull it straight back towards you. Because if you don't, you're going to break that tab on there. So you're going to grab it and just kind of pull this back towards yourself. In the front, there's a white tab, and that one is just like a straight tab, not a angled one. Set that aside for now. Don't lose those red tabs. Now, the USB port, you can get to it from right here. Get like a flathead, or just you can use your pry bar tool. There's a little compression spot on the sides of the USB. What you're going to do is push that down, and then just kind of push the whole USB upwards. It's a lot easier when you have two hands. So here's how it's going to kind of look. You just push the side of the USB in, and then it'll kind of make it so it could be pulled up a little bit. Once it pops up a little bit, grab it with your hand and then just pull it out gently. There's a wire harness you have to unplug. There's a little thumb tab button. You push it down, pull the harness backwards. Don't pull by the wires because you'll break the wires. I had to use a little tool to do it. You just push that little button down and then it slides right off. All right, there you go. And then here it is right here. Currently, you can only really get these at Toyota. Here's the part number. Sorry for this horrible picture, but this is the part number for it. They're not sold on Amazon yet, but probably within the next 6 months to a year, they'll be available on Amazon. So I'll link those when they become available. But I'll link a Toyota parts dealer below as well. Get your new one, plug it in. Just like that. There's only one way to plug it in, so you just plug it in and then you just push it down into the spot. After it's locked in and you're good, we're going to put this panel back on, put the white one in first, and then this is where you need to be really patient. Just make sure each little tab lines up to the hole and then push it in place. If you're going to rush this part, you're probably going to break some pieces and then your trim's not going to look right. So just be very patient with this part. And that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.